Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you getting the unable to send friend request error on Roblox? Here's how to fix it and connect with your friends. First of all, ensure you haven't reached the friend limit. Roblox allows up to 200 friends. Go to your friends tab and remove unused connections to free up space. Next, clear your cache. If you are using a browser, clear your browsing data. On app, log out, close the app and restart your device before logging back in. After that, check your privacy settings. Go to settings, then select privacy and make sure who can send me friend requests is set to everyone or friends of friends. Ensure your internet connection is stable, restart your router or switch to a more reliable network if needed. And that's it. You should now be able to send friend requests on Roblox. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.